My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Deeone and Phyna they don't come out for online, come drag each other, and Phyna don't publicly threaten Deeone. So of recent, Thre for the Big Brother Naija season invite Deeone come her show, the podcast wey be say she dey do for inside one bedroom like that, and they come dey discuss. So according to the one, he say e go avoid Phyna like bad habit for the podcast wey be say e do with Ure. Im dey talk say e go avoid Phyna like a bad habit. So Ure come dey ask am say why do you want to avoid her? Because the one don first talk say e dey crush on Phyna, all of a sudden im come dey talk say e go avoid her. So that's why Ure come dey ask am say wetin dey sup with you. So im come dey try to explain, talk say Phyna wey be say dey claim say dey give her 5 million naira, a man offer her 5 million naira and she come reject am, come talk say I'm bigger than the money, she wan come offer the guy 5 million, and she dey fight for Pepsi, unique soap, and the small small things wey be say MultiChoice dey owe her, according to the one. So im come still make further emphasis on the fact say im say Phyna no get anything to offer the general public, say she's very broke and she's very poor. The one further explain talk say im see the calling out wey Phyna call out MultiChoice as not a very good idea, say because she somehow dey bite the finger that fed
I'm going to avoid Phyna like bad habits.
Why do you want to avoid Phyna? But you just said that you were crushing on her, so now you want to avoid the person you're crushing on.
Person wey talk say they reject 5 million.
You're going to pay for this popcorn, no?
Sorry. Person wey say they reject 5 million.
Okay.
Can they call out? There's a lot of financial issues. Anyway, I'll just avoid that.
But do you think she's pushing herself in a hole that she might not be able to crawl out from calling out MultiChoice?
I think I don't think it was a good idea to call them out. However, she's the owner of her page. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And she can do whatever she wants to do. But the sad thing is,
career-wise,
yeah. But Phyna doesn't really have much to offer. There's really nothing. I mean, even the hype where she talks she do, she doesn't really, kick at it. So I'm scared that there's no value, no real value.
Wetin dey try to talk in essence, so say if MultiChoice cut Phyna out, Phyna no get anything to offer the general public. Una remember say Phyna don come out go explain to say the reason why she come vex start to call out MultiChoice na the fact say MultiChoice no dey gree put her for any of their show for television. Say since she win, they no dey even show advert about her, they no dey even do anything. If she bring idea to them, they go just sweep under the carpet. That it just be as if they don't want anything to do with her. So since MultiChoice say they don't want anything to do with her, it better me she just collect her prizes wey remain for them. So as the one make this statement finish, and so Phyna can't go live, can't insult the guy family, insult his mama, insult his sister, insult his papa. She even threatened to slap the guy for public anywhere where be say she see the one. So make una listen to wetin Phyna talk for herself.
Your useless mama na I blame. Yes. Your mama will born you with the very stupid, now I blame. And to those people always saying, oh, Phyna, why do you like insulting people's parents? Why do you like, yes, I will give it to you. Now, this is it. If you come for me while I am on my own, I will not come for you. No. No. Because if you want to respect yourself to the end. If you come for me, I'll go and insult your father, your mother that is at home. Do well to do that to me. But let's see who can stand it. Let's see who can stand it. Because if your mother was not loose, there's no way she would give birth to an empty vessel. To let you know that never you insult my hustle. Never you said I have nothing to bring to the table. Because of course, if I had nothing to bring to the table and the show refused to give me everything I want, by this time I will be out there faking life like your people. The way all of you fake your life, I will be out there faking my life because I really have nothing to offer. But bro, come on, I have movies to offer. I'm a very good actress. I have music to offer. I'm a very good patois singer. I have comedy to offer because I'm a very good comedian, even than you. I can make people laugh than you. If me and you stand for stand-up comedy now, go dust you where better start dusting. You're not going to even see my brake lights. Going on the show and say Phyna has nothing to offer. Because if I should check who has nothing to offer here, it should be your useless mother and that your bastard father that think he actually has the sperm that formed an idiot like you. So please, if you people don't want to be seeing this bad side of me, everybody should stay clear. Don't come for me unprovoked. Don't try it. Because my mouth is not good. If you move mad again, I promise you I'm going to lock you up. Yes, because at this point, I don't know. Nobody. A 95. See, there's something I want you guys to understand, bro. I'm not even big on this time celebrity, bro. I don't even want. I'm not like big. I don't want. All I want is money and a platform to do good things that I want to do and put it out there. Bro, I don't want anybody farms me. If they say for my career sake, this one, that for my career sake, how? This is the third year. Have you seen me do anything with MultiChoice? No. I tried, yes, but no. Even before I even started calling them out and you say me calling them, bro, please. They are not the only one on earth. So people should not even bring that leg with me at all. I take go beg now. People should not even bring that leg of you calling MultiChoice that is a bad move. That's for you. But as I did, I shall not sell anybody. I need my money. ASAP. This is the third year. I've been all calm, yes. And I've been told around, yes. If there's anybody that has offended me, now it's the other party. And you're opening your rotten mouth to remove. Okay, you that you did not offend them, how far your life? No, now. You that you did not offend them. People are saying, oh, for a career purpose, for this. You that you did not offend. How many show you don't do now with them? What have you done? In my life, I don't like cheating. I don't like
Now don't hear her. I feel I don't talk her many times. So say if you come for her, say she not go come for you. Say now your parents she go come for. She also make emphasis to say if you will insult her parents, you not go pain her. But you now, you don't know whether if she insult your own parent, you go fit take her. So if you know say if they insult your parent, go pay you, you better avoid her. Everybody like Phyna, and when I mean not liking Phyna, I don't mean to say they hate her. They just don't like her attitude, the way she talks. Is very bad. She said not to say the problem every say she get na her mouth. But when it comes to the money and the gift wey be say they owe her, they must give her the thing because she worked for it. For this her fight with the one and Blessing CEO, I don't know wetin I wan talk for the three of them fight because three of them be dragging each other left, right, center and middle for no reason. Well, we wish them well. Una take care, una bye.